Warm greeting to all. This session we are going to discuss machining time calculation for grinding. So the two different grindings are there, surface grinding and cylindrical grinding. So how to calculate the machining time that we discuss here. So the grinding is a process of machining in which material is removed by means of a multi-point cutting tool called grinding wheel. Mostly grinding is a finishing process. The material removal is very small. The time for grinding operation can be calculated as below. The time is equal to length of cut divided by feed per revolution into RPM. So in case of surface grinding, the workpiece reciprocate under the rotating wheel. So the wheel alone rotates, the workpiece will reciprocate. So the time calculation for the surface grinding is L, capital L, that is length of workpiece plus allowance into B, width of the workpiece, divided by S, velocity of table in meter per minute, and 1000 into F, that is feed mm per stroke, into number of passes. So how many passes we are moving that workpiece, so that you have to calculate. And in case of cylindrical grinding, the revolving grinding wheel moves along the axis of the work and removes the metal to required depth of cut. So the both workpieces are rotated. We are moving the grinding wheel along the axis of the workpiece. So how to find out the time? So capital N, which is equal to 1000 S divided by pi d, the length of cut which is equal to L minus W plus 5 mm. So L is the length of the workpiece and W is width of the grinding wheel. 5 mm is approach length. The longitudinal feed of the grinding wheel is taken as W by 2 for rough grinding, W by 4 for finish grinding. So time, which is equal to L minus W plus 5 divided by, so either we can take rough grinding or finish grinding into capital N. So the capital N is RPM of workpiece. So for grinding process requires more than one pass for finishing the component. The number of passes, which is equal to small d divided by t. Small d is depth of stock to be removed, t is depth per cut. So total time required is L minus W plus 5, either rough cutting or finishing, into N into d by t. So it is the length of total time required for cylindrical grinding. So these are the two different grinding process we discussed here. With help of this, we can solve the problem and find out the time required for complete the process. Thank you. The remaining session we will discuss in the next session.